In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos, so check this out. Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Tamil, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add an end screen to your YouTube videos. So if you've been creating some YouTube videos and you want to be able to promote them more on your channel, then I'm going to show you how you can add a 20-second clip at the end of your video to promote additional videos that you have on your channel. So what's an end screen? Well, an end screen is just this 20-second clip that YouTube gives you at the end of your video where you can promote additional videos. So maybe it's your next watched video, or maybe it's a suggested video, and also you can promote your channel for people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, so one of the things that I do is I create custom end screens for all of my videos. And the way that I do this is through an online design tool called Canva. And Canva is basically a design tool that you can use for free to create all type of images. So I've been creating pretty much all of my images here on Canva: end screens, YouTube banners, anything for social media, anything for my blog, you name it, I'm creating it right here on Canva. And so you can do the same thing as well. I like things to be customized to my brand, and so that's what I do, is I'll create something that's more customized. So if you want to do the same thing as well, then you can basically go to Canva, sign up for a free account, and you can do exactly the same thing. So if you want to learn more about how to create a custom end screen for your YouTube channel, then check out my additional videos on how you can create a custom end screen for YouTube videos. All right, so let's get started. How do you add an end screen to your YouTube videos? Well, you can do it during the upload process. So I'm going to walk you through that right now. So if you're uploading a video on YouTube, then what you're going to want to do is go here, obviously, to the upload videos, and start off with uploading a video. I'm going to do that right here. I'm just going to drag this over here. I'm going to go through the upload process. Okay, so now once your video is uploaded, then click next. And what you're going to see right here, it says add an end screen. So there's a couple ways of doing this. First, you can do it by just adding an end screen by clicking add, or you can do it through a tool that's called TubeBuddy. I'm not going to go into too many details about TubeBuddy because I do have a video where you can learn how to add TubeBuddy to your YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check that out in the right hand corner. But TubeBuddy is just another tool that really helps you to do a lot of different things. It helps you to optimize your channel, and it's going to obviously help you to apply an end screen, and it's typically a template. So this is another way in which you can do it if you don't have a custom end screen. But I'm going to show you from the custom end screen. I'm going to go ahead and click add, and you're going to come across this screen right here. Now, like I told you before, I add that little 20-second clip to the end of my video during the rendering process. So once I have completed filming my video, I've rendered it, I've added a 20-second clip to the end of the video. So I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like right here. It's going to look just like this, and this is going to be the clip that you're going to see at the end, and it's going to allow me to promote additional videos. So that's what I'm going to do right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some videos that I want to promote on my channel. You can go to this plus button right here where it says add element, and I'm going to add 2 videos that I think would have similar content, or videos that I think that the viewer would want to see after watching the video that I'm showing you right here. So you want to pick videos that have similar content. So I'm going to choose a specific video because I like to choose the videos that I want to use. So I'm just going to choose this video right here, which is a TubeBuddy tutorial, how to add TubeBuddy to your YouTube channel. I'm going to click that one, and I'm going to add a recommended video as well. And you can do a playlist if you've got a playlist together, but I'm going to add just an individual video. And I'm going to add affiliate marketing for beginners. So we're just playing around here, and I've got one more to add, which is my subscribe button. So those are the 3 things that I always add to the end of my end screen. And so I'm going to move this over here near the arrow, and then I'm going to move this other one right here in the corner. Now, once you have all 3 of these elements ready for the end of your end screen, then you're going to make sure that they all fall in place. So just going to pull this over so that I can see exactly when this end screen is going to start. And I see it in the background right there. And so I'm going to move this video over so that it adds just at the right time, all 3 of them, because when the end screen comes up, I want these videos to play simultaneously. Like I want everything to end up being right at the same time. So let's see how this starts off. I'm going to hit play and there it is. And it's moving just fine. I'm going to actually move this over my subscribe button because I like it to sit right above the arrow. And you can see my custom end screen that's right here in the back. And so I like it to be branded to the colors that I use for my business. And so you can see right here where it's custom, and I have my subscribe button so that people can click on at the very end. And then if they want to watch an additional video, one that I have here that maybe interests them, whether it's the affiliate marketing or whether it's, a TubeBuddy tutorial, then they can actually click on this. So let's see how this looks. Let's go ahead and click the play button so we can see how it sounds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye. All right, guys. It's looking good. And this is going to run for 20 seconds. So it gives the viewer time to look to see whether they want to check out one of the videos. I'm going to stop it right there. Then that way I can end this just the way I want. I'm going to pull the clip in just a little bit so that it works out just perfect. So guys, that's how that's done. That's a custom end screen. And you can add these elements to the end of your video and you can promote them. This keeps the viewer on your channel longer. And this is what's going to give you more views, and this is what's going to give you more watch time on your channel. So YouTube is always looking at watch time, and the longer you can keep someone on your videos, the better it is for the algorithm, for the YouTube algorithm, to be able to see that people are watching your videos for a longer period of time. So that's what you want to do, is you want to be able to keep people on your videos longer. So once you click this plus button, you have the option of adding a video, a playlist, subscribe button, even promoting another channel if you want to. But like I said, I typically just add additional videos here, and I definitely make sure that I have my subscribe button. So guys, that is how this works. That's how you add an end screen to your YouTube videos. Now, let's say that you missed this process right here, or this part, and you just went ahead and you skipped this part and you already have the video uploaded. So let's go check that out, because there's another way that you can get to this screen if you didn't do it during the upload process. I'm just going to go ahead and save this. And let's just say in the beginning you just went ahead and just went all the way through and didn't have time to do your end screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to make it back to your video page where all of your channels are, and you didn't have time to actually add your end screen during the upload process, and you're going to go back and you're going to do it later. So you're going to go and click on the actual video, and you open up the video. You can scroll down and you will see where it says end screen right here. So this is another way for you to actually add the end screen to your YouTube video. So if you didn't do it during the upload process, you can still come back to it once you open up the video. So I'm going to click end screen, and you can see I've already added it, of course, and you can actually start the process from here. So this is another way in which you can add your end screen to your YouTube videos. Alright guys, so if you like this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard. And also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always putting out weekly videos for inspiring entrepreneurs, whether you're growing your business using YouTube or if you're looking to even start a business. I'm always giving valuable content on this channel. Alright guys, so if you have any comments or any questions about anything that you saw today in this video, then go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.